Hello everyone. FIITJEE Punjabi Bagh welcomes you all to the NTSC Stage 2 paper analysis. FIITJEE is synonymous with success and perfection, with all India toppers, various state toppers, and extraordinary results in all competitive examinations and board examinations. This year too, we have proven our mettle. All India ranks 1st, 2nd, and 3rd in IIT Advanced 2021 are students of FIITJEE's classroom program. From FIITJEE Punjabi Bagh Centre alone, 14 students have secured ranks in the top 100. The NTSC Stage 2 exam was conducted on Sunday, the 24th of October 2021 in the offline mode. It is conducted in the All India level by NCERT. The paper pattern closely follows the Stage 1 paper with 100 questions in the MAT or Mental Ability Test and 100 questions in the SAT or Scholastic Aptitude Test. The SAT section consists of mathematics, science, and social studies. Each question is of 1 mark and there is no negative marking. Both the sections are of 2 hours each. Let us now see the detailed paper analysis by our subject experts.
In the mathematics section, most of the questions were analytical and tricky, and this made the section seem quite lengthy. Like every year, the entire syllabus of Class 10 NCERT was nicely covered with major focus on algebra and geometry. Out of the 7 questions of algebra, 3 questions were from quadratic equations, 2 questions from arithmetic progression, 1 question each from polynomial and linear equation in 2 variables. It may be noted that question 50 of quadratic equations were based on location of roots concept, which is primarily a part of class 11 syllabus. This question also earlier featured in AIEEE 2006. The 6 questions of geometry were mostly difficult as usual. Out of these 6 questions, 4 questions were based on quadrilaterals, 2 questions were based on triangles. One question, question 56, which was based on triangles, seemed quite tricky, but could be solved by a simple application of Pythagorean theorem. Apart from these questions, there were 2 questions of easy level from trigonometry and 1 question each from real number, coordinate geometry, statistics, probability, and surface area volume. However, unlike last year, which had no errors in the mathematics section, this year there were 3 errors. Question number 43, where both options 2 and 3 were correct. Question 53, in which the correct answer 2024 was not in the options. And question 55, where the data given was not correct. We can conclude that with 10 easy questions, 5 moderate questions, and 5 difficult questions, this year also the paper of mathematics section was difficult.
In the physics section, this year's paper followed the syllabus of class 9 and class 10 as defined by NTSC. More weightage was given to class 9 syllabus, and out of the total 14 questions, 9 of them were from class 9 syllabus and 5 questions were from 10 syllabus. Most of the questions were conceptual and some were analytical. There is mistake in 3 questions in this paper. In question number 31, the language is not clear. In question number 39, the language of the question was different from diagram. In question number 40, we should consider same time for the last 2 part duration. Overall, the difficulty level of the paper was easy.
Talking of chemistry section, this year one important aspect of paper was that the questions were asked from all chapters of class 9 and 10. Out of 13 questions in the paper, 6 questions were based on class 9 syllabus and 7 questions were based on class 10 syllabus. Compared to last year, only one numerical was there which was based on mole concept, question number 15. Overall, 3 questions were based on chapter atoms and molecule, which is maximum as compared to others. There were 2 good questions each from metal nonmetals and carbon and its compound of class 10. Concepts on which questions were asked in the paper usually featured in our mock test every year. Like last year, chemistry section was lengthy and analytical. There was no error as such. So with 4 easy, 8 moderate and 1 difficult question, overall level of the paper was moderate.
There were 13 questions in biology section, out of which 7 questions were from class 9 and 6 from class 10. There were no questions asked from some important chapters like life process of class 10 and why do we fall ill of class 9. Most of the questions were application based, so the students have to apply concept before answering the questions. The students who have practiced well for examination will definitely achieve good marks. Question number 7 from chapter Diversity in Living Organism was based on class 11 concepts in which no correct option was given. So this question will be treated as bonus. With 7 easy, 4 moderate and 2 difficult questions, the biology section was moderate to difficult. This year, the paper was lengthier and more difficult than previous year.
This year, the level of social science section was at par with the 2019 paper. Sections like geography and economics had general observation based questions, but application based questions from the civics section made this year's paper tricky, whereas history section was moderate. There was rigid classification of subjects, like each section had 10 questions. 17 questions were there from the 9th class and 23 questions were there from the 10th class. Overall, 11 questions were easy, 17 questions were moderate and 12 questions were on the tougher side. Bonus marks might be provided for question number 81 as Chhattisgarh borders 7 states.
Mentality paper of this year's NTSC Stage 2 was quite difficult and lengthy in comparison to last year. Questions on arithmetic reasoning, mathematical operations and few questions on clock were quite lengthy and time-taking. There were few new and different type of questions in which students must have faced problem. But for those students who were regularly practicing CPPs and packages must have saved time in other questions and would have invested that time in these type of different questions. As every year, more focus was on verbal reasoning with 85 verbal reasoning questions and 15 non-verbal reasoning questions. There were few ambiguities also, like in question number 64, the question was incomplete, and in question number 84, the word given in English and Hindi version of the paper was different. So these questions should be considered for bonus. Talking about the difficulty level, there were 57 easy questions, 22 moderate level questions and 20 difficult questions. So this year's mentality section was difficult and lengthy.
As we can concur from the analysis of our subject experts, the NTSC Stage 2 paper was more difficult this year when compared to last year. The chemistry section was of a moderate level and error-free. There were few errors in the other sections. Physics section was easier when compared to last year, and the social studies section was of a moderate level. Biology section was difficult, whereas the mental ability section was quite lengthy and difficult. Mathematics section was, as usual, difficult and lengthy. Last year the cutoff was 132, and this year we can expect a cutoff around 128. We can see all exams from boards to talent search exams to JEE are moving towards an analytical approach and becoming objective. These exams are getting more competitive due to increased awareness and participation. It has become imperative that you start preparing in the right direction from day one if you wish to perform well. Keep following our page and videos for in-depth analysis of various examinations. Stay tuned for more updates and other relevant videos. Contact FIITJEE Punjabi Bagh Center for expert guidance on preparation tips for various competitive examinations. Thank you.